Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Legends of Atlantis. For centuries, Atlantis was lost to the outside world until it was raised from the depth by its inhabitants and restored to its former glory, this time as its own breathtaking metaverse. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is Legends of Atlantis NFT.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my YouTube channel, The Educational Network. You can go and check it out from there. We're going to go in great detail and look at what this NFT is all about. Legends of Atlantis, once a dominant and advanced naval power, the great island nation of Atlantis was inhabited by half god, half humans who enjoyed a lush, rich life in society where technology and magic were one. That is until a brutal earthquake caused the island to be swallowed by a wrathful ocean. Being incredibly advanced, the Atlanteans used their technology and demigod powers to accelerate their evolution to survive and flourish underwater. And this is what the NFT is all about. They've given a backstory to it, and obviously a very interesting backstory. These amazing artistically developed NFTs that are available for grabs are one of a kind. If you've missed the opportunity to invest in leading and upcoming NFTs that have blown up, this is an NFT that you should not miss. Legends of Atlantis will definitely be huge. I am not a financial advisor. I do a lot of reviews of amazing NFT and play to earn games, so this is my personal opinion. Looking at their roadmap, in the roadmap we will discover the different aspects of the Atlantis Metaverse, how it already advanced and will evolve further over time. With the first element that they bring in is the metaverse, what we have already achieved. They say the NFT world number 6134 acquired, and it is bigger than the whole sandbox and decentralized combined. That is how expensive and massive this is. Atlantis City is built inside the NFT world, and to give you the idea of its size, you need to spend over 6 hours walking around the city to explore it all. That is how big it is. We have constructed a dedicated and exclusive VIP area for our most loyal Atlanteans to lounge, relax, and party. Several innovative games have already been built, allowing to interact and compete and enjoy each other's conversation. A monumental Colosseum has been constructed to allow to test their metals against their fellow citizens in a battle royale, and many completely unique assets have already been created specifically designed for the theme of Atlantis. The Atlantis will create its own internal economy using the Atlantis token to operate with in-game items, offering unique benefits within the metaverse. The Atlantis token will allow you to buy prime real estate and premium homes and unique weapons and vehicles in the metaverse. All these citizens will have the option to stake their token simply by holding a Legends of Atlantis NFT. Now, having a look at the NFT itself, you can just see the amount of artistic approach that has gone into creating it. Just have a look at this NFT, the artistic approach that they've taken in developing this articulated NFT is one of a kind. The Atlantis Metaverse events, multi-games will be running 24/7 for all to enjoy, no matter your real world time zone. A dedicated Atlantis event team will organize multiple tournaments exclusively for all Atlanteans, and their event teams will create new special events that will be based on the NFT type, allowing Atlanteans of all creed to challenge each other. And obviously the Atlantis Metaversal Life, a VIP, will have their very own complimentary luxury villa built for them on the Atlantis digital soil. And Atlanteans will then be able to customize and renovate their villa villas as they wish. This is a huge lifestyle that we're talking about. Every Atlanteans will be free to relax, play, and the network with their fellow citizens of Atlantis, all while earning both through staking and prize giveaways. The legendary Atlanteans art quality only Atlanteans will have the ability to choose from 3 different types of 3D models inside of the collection. Every trait, characteristics, and asset on the Atlantean NFT is completely hand-drawn, and that is why it is so unique. The Atlantis has over 20 senior digital artists from Disney, Blizzard, and Nickelodeon, and these are massive names in the industry that have come together to create this amazing NFT art. And the Atlanteans the FBX files are free for all. The Atlantean citizens will have full access to their FBX files, allowing them to use their avatars in their full fidelity from across multiple platforms, including AR and VR. Atlantis and giving back in royalties. 100% of the royalty profits will go back into the project in form of research and development. Research and development will be hyper focused on expanding the Atlantis Metaverse, increasing their reach to new members, all while developing more exciting and ambitious events. Royalties will also fund events that occur multiple times per week for maximum community engagement. At the Atlantis, physical item and merchandise will be available that you could get, and Legends of Atlantis is giving back. For the last stage of their roadmap, they will like to be part to help those affected by unprecedented humanitarian crisis occurring in Eastern Europe. On behalf of all Legends of Atlantis, they will donate a percentage of their mint funds to support the refugees of Ukraine. So obviously, as you can see, the amount of social responsibility and social awareness that has gone into developing this strategy is immense. They have looked at every angle and they have covered every nook and corner to ensure that they will bring something unique to the market, and obviously an NFT with a strategy of this kind, a developed strategy, a strategy that is being executed and implemented flawlessly, is one of success. And obviously the team behind it are individuals that are massive. They have a lot of experience in the NFT space, in the crypto space. You have individuals from the founder and from the artist and the community manager, head of marketing and the creative studio and technical department, the blockchain developer and the Discord manager. These individuals have developed multiple NFTs. They have been involved in the NFT space for a very long time. They understand what they're doing and how they're doing it and how to execute this project to make it one of the biggest projects in the industries. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and share these videos with your friends and your family so more people can benefit from it. You can always comment in the section below on YouTube or Facebook, or you can drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in my About Us section on my channel, The Educational Network. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.